buds on it.
Yes, but I don't remember what they are.
Oh, those are so cute the way they are. They look like those tomatillos.
That's not what these are. I just have to look them up.
Let me eat one.
I should know what these are. This is good. This is what I need is cooperation today. Yes, let's make this about the bees today. I can make you a star. I can't get up that close. I didn't know there were bees just for... I wish they would not... I can't get this very well.
You can tell that they're doing a lot of work. See?
Uh-huh.